Okay, so now let us discuss permutation. So permutation po, it is the arrangement of objects in which order is important. Order is important. Yun lang po yung tandaan nyo sa permutation. Order is important. For example, we have letters A, B, C. Okay po, so how many ways can we arrange these three letters A, B, C? So pwedeng A, B, C, C, B, A, B, A, C, B, C, A, so A, C, B. So yun po yung permutation. Order is important. So marami tayong ways na i-arrange tong three letters A, B, C. Okay? So yung permutation, meron tayong three ways na isulat yon. So first, itong NPR. So, babasahin natin yan mamaya. NPR or P, N, R or ano pa ba? P, N, R. Pwedeng ganyan. Okay? So, paano to binabasa itong tatlo? So, itong tatlo, same lang yan ha, kahit anong gamitin nyo. So, same lang yan ang sinasabing permutation. So, paano basahin to? The permutation of n objects taken are at a time. So, paano siya basahin? Ganito, mahaba. The permutation of n objects taken are at a time. Okay po. So, ganyan po sila basahin itong tatlo. The permutation of n objects taken are at a time. Okay? So, meron po tayong theorems sa permutation. So, if n is equals to r, okay? So, lagi nyo pong tatandaan na si n is always greater than or equal to r. Okay po? Lagi pong mas mataas si n kay r or pwede silang mag-equal. Okay po? So, if n is equals to r, so meaning daw, kapag yung n daw is equal to r or same sila ng value, the permutation is n factorial. Okay po? Kapag equal sila, ang sagot lang po doon is the value of n and then get the factorial notation. Okay po? Next, if r is equal to 0, kapag yung r daw is 0, the permutation is 1. Po, napakadali niya na. Next, if r is equals to 1, the answer is the n. So, kapag r is equals to 1, the answer is, the permutation is n. Okay po. So, now let us have an example. Example number 1. Okay, so ito rin yung example ko sa fundamental counting principles. So, tingnan natin. Marami kasi tayong ways kung paano mahanap yung arrangement. So, pwede nyo gamitin si tree diagram, FCP, permutation, di ba? So, try din natin sa permutation if same nang lalabas. So, in how many ways can you select a president, vice president, and secretary from a class of 20 students? So, yung n po, lagi nyo pong tatandaan na yung n is the total number of objects. So, kung ilan yung objects na nasa given or sentence. So, dito, binigay 20 students. So, meaning the value of n is 20. So, ilan daw yung pipiliin sa 20 students? So, we have president, vice president, and secretary. So, 1, 2, 3. So, meaning R is 3. Okay po. So, ito na yung formula ng permutation. The permutation of n objects taken are at a time n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So, now let us rewrite. So, ito na lang gamitin ko yung formula. So, P, the permutation of n objects taken are at a time is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So now, substitute. So n natin is 20. The permutation of 20 objects taken 3 at a time is equals to n natin is 20. So we have 20 factorial divided by n natin is 20 minus 3 factorial. So now simplify. So the permutation of 20 objects taken 3 at a time is equals to, simplify natin, 20 minus 3. So keep na muna natin sa numerator, divided by 20 minus 3 is 17 factorial. So di pa tayo dito. So the permutation of 20 objects taken 3 at a time is equals to, so let us expand this 2 factorial. So hihinto tayo sa 17 factorial since yun yung denominator. So we have 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 factorial divided by 17 factorial. So we can cancel this 2 factorial. So ang natira na lang, the permutation of 20 objects taken 3 at a time is equals to 20 times 19 times 18. We have 6,840 ways. So we have same answer. Diba? Permutation. Again po, permutation, it is the arrangement of objects where order is important. Okay? Balik tayo ulit. So, lagi nyo pong tatandaan na si N laging mas mataas kay R. Or, pwede silang mag-equal. So, N is always greater than or equal to R. So, meron po tayong tatlong ways para isulat yung permutation. Pwede itong maliit na R na tabi ng P. Pwede itong nakaparenthesis na N tsaka R. Pwede itong dalawa na nasa taas yung N, sa baba yung R. So, paano sila basahin? The permutation of N objects taken R at a time. So, theorems ng permutation, if N is equals to R, the permutation is N factorial. Kapag same ng value N at R, ang answer dyan is the N factorial. So, get the value of N and i-factorial nyo yun. Next, if R is equals to 0, the permutation is 1. Okay po. If R is equals to 1, the answer is the value of N. Okay po. So, that's all for today's video. Permutation. Thank you for watching.